Ayan na. Siyempre, obviously, ang unang-una magluluto ay si Tita Pinky.
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Inumpisahan na natin at ang iluluto niya ay...
Ini crispy pansit. Crispy noodles.
Yan ba yung kinakain talaga sa inyo?
Oo, and also everywhere around the country. No. Kinakain talaga. This is crispy noodles, crispy pansit, whatever you want to call it, no. It's not really from the Visayas because you see, like me, I'm also a melting pot.
Correct.
'Di ba? So we try Chinese food, Spanish food, like that. Sagol-sagol ba in Bisaya means halo-halo, like that lang.
Okay.
So what food am I gonna do? I am frying now the noodles so it will become crispy. This is sunog na noodles now. Ay, kasi chismosa. Wait. Then, okay, it's fried now. It's very fried now. And I'm gonna put it here in the paper towel.
So, ma-absorb niya yung oil.
Yeah, observe the oil because the oil can't enter our fat. We have too much fat already.
Oo.
So remove the oil. And then, I have assistant. Are you nervous?
Slightly.
Slightly. Then we remove the oil. Yeah, remove the oil because it's this olive oil is good for the
This
body.
is canton noodles ba?
Canton noodles. Remember, don't forget canton noodles.
Pwede bang bihon?
No, it's too thin. Bihon is too thin. Okay, now with the olive oil, don't be afraid. All right. I'm calm now. We're gonna put
Okay.
the...
The garlic.
Yeah, taas mo naman ang microphone. We're
Anong
going to
bawang
do...
sa ano? Cebuana.
Bawang?
Sa Cebuana.
Bawang is...
Bisaya pala.
Ahos.
Ahos.
In Cebuano.
Oh, it's Spanish.
Ahos.
Kasi siya yung Spanish version ng pagiging Cebuano.
Yes, because we were conquered by the Spanish people.
That's right. Kaya
Kasi yung unang narating ni Magellan,
That's
hindi ba?
true. Kasi
Yeah.
di ba
Oo,
Queen
at
City
doon
of the
pinatay si
South?
Lapu-Lapu.
Yes.
Ay, hindi. Doon pinatay. Sino ba ang pinatay?
Si Magellan.
Si Magellan pala ang
At least,
pinatay.
di ba namatay si Magellan? Pinatay siya ni Lapu-Lapu, di ba? Something like that.
I think both of them died already, okay?
Siguro naman pa yun, patay na sila
patay na
pala.
sila pareho. I hope
Okay.
so, no?
So, entonces, Tagalog po.
Tagalog po, entot.
Ano ka Bisaya?
Eh, pag ganun, di tayo magkaintindihan.
Ngayon, ilalagay na ko ang Baguio beans. Yan. Just gisa, dump to death there. And then, put that thing. See? That is
Snow
chicharo and the carrots. All the hard vegetables must be first.
Kasi matagal sila
Kasi
maluto.
mas matagal
This
sila
is
maluto.
soft pa, okay? So there. So what else? Don't you
Red
interview
pepper.
me? No
Hindi.
interview?
Medyo na-excite kami sa ginagawa mo pagluluto.
Kasi lagay ng ingredients. Ano ba nilagay natin? Mushroom, green beans, chicharo, bell pepper na pula.
Yes.
Try mo naman, Tita Pinky, ang kumakanta habang nagluluto.
Ah, ganon?
Ah,
Ngayon
try lang, try lang.
Oy, bakit sinali mo yung buo? I forgot to take out the buo. Ah! Mainit siya.
Hindi, para alam natin na ganito ang itsura ng button mushroom.
Yes. Let's put everything na lang.
That's baby corn.
Baby corn, because we want to be a vegetarian only now. Okay?
Hindi na ang lahat.
Na. Okay. What else? Did I forget?
Ayun no, repolyo.
Di ba
Now?
dati ang dalas mo magluto sa TV?
Yes. I really, I'm a nutritionist, di ba?
Reyna talaga siya ng mga-
Reyna ng lutuanan.
Ah, okay.
Because in our family, we're 8 girls. Nakakahiya ko ang 8 girls hindi marunong magluto. So
sino
my mom
nagturo sa
taught us
inyo?
all.
Your
My
mom?
mom, yeah, taught us all how to cook, bake. That's why tuwing hapon sa Cebu ba, sus daghan og mga kotse sa bahay namin tuwing 3 to 5 o'clock visiting hours.
Aha.
Visiting hours is only from 3 to 5. All the boys are there to
Ay,
eat
yung mga
merienda.
maniligaw.
Eh, mga freeloader para sa mga lalaking to eh.
We found out sa akala namin we're so beautiful and all, pala sa food lang sila. That's all.
Since 8 kayo doon, nalaman yung food lang pala ang habol nila. Dapat
Yes.
sinarge nyo na.
Ay, nako talaga. Meron kaming sign sa labas ng bahay. Visiting hours, 3 to 5. Now we pray that this will cook. Cook.
Saan tayo? You want to lead the prayer?
Uy, we have to pray also because if not, papait dito. Papangit ang pagkain, di ba?
Amaw ba? O sige
Oo.
na.
Kanta naman ta.
No more, no more. Hindi na.
Okay,
Hindi
I will,
na ako
but,
biyudo
so
ngayon,
I can
oh.
sing? Oh, you hold
Sige
it for
na,
me.
isa.
There's the music by Butch Miraflor behind me. Welcome to the Mare Cooking Lounge. Palakpak!